Today, we're making martinis, my personal favorite. Most people have heard of martinis, but what many people don't realize is it doesn't have to be a glass of rapidly warming vodka with an olive. Today we're going to do the classic style, with gin. So we're going to go 2 1/4 ounce. Now for this I do recommend something citrus forward like the botanist I'm using here, or even Hendrick's or Plymouth will work just as fine. And now we've got our dry vermouth. For that we're going to do 3/4 ounce. I also like to add 1 or 2 dashes of orange bitters. So now that we've added our ice, we're going to stir. And our goal is to chill this as quickly as possible, so about a good 30 seconds, stirring very quickly. So now we'll strain it out into our chilled glass. So different martinis come with a wide variety of garnishes, but for the one we're doing here, I like to add in a lemon twist. So if you don't have a zester like this, you can just take a knife and trim off some of the peel. Whenever we're using fresh citrus peels, we want to make sure that we actually wash the fruit beforehand, because in the grocery stores, oftentimes they'll cover them in wax just to make the appearance nicer. And there is the classic gin martini.